So today, as usual, I was fixing a bunch of stuff. So I had about 6 different things to fix, and one of them was a stove. And one burner costs $33 plus tax. 2 years ago, that burner was between $9 and $10. I bought some weather stripping. The weather stripping was $5.47. 2 years ago, that would have been like $1.50. I bought some more wood, and of course that was exorbitant. But what this is going to show you is repair parts. The inflation over the last 2 years has been over 300%. So right now I'm paying 3 times what I did 2 years ago for repair parts for things. Normally what happens is you see hyperinflation in repair parts, and then you see the non-existence of repair parts. So what we're seeing as repair parts are at 300% inflation and rising, we can expect that they will not exist shortly. So anything you need to fix or repair, or any spare parts you need for future repairs, you should get them now while you can, because at the expanding inflation rate on the spare parts, they're just not going to be available. Please share your thoughts. We'll see you on the next video.